Alright, we're here at the Omaha Children's Museum. Just got in. I would have recorded outside, but it's too windy, so here we are. We're going to have some fun. Let's so see what's going on. What do we got here? Wow. Whoa, explore, that's cool. Imagination playground, I like that. Wow. Here they are. Come on, guys. Yeah, imagination playground.
Come on over and join us in the Steam Cave for Steam Power. This is where we like to experiment, create, and discover all kinds of things using science, technology, engineering, art, and math.
Come on, buddy.
To connect these materials.
Go, go. Joshy's over there.
Come join us in the Steam Cave for Steam Power in the
job.
Science Center in just 5 minutes.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Water table, a giant water table. That's cool. Got an auto place here. Oh, look at this. Oh. That's a cool little repair shop here. I like that. Oh, wow. Whoa. We're going to go in that room next. Wow. Okay, dance moves, here we go. Yeah, Zachy. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's a craft area, gotta have that. Oh, coloring, okay. Yeah, so the previous room we were just in, the ballroom as we like to call it, that was just a room full of, it sounded like vacuums, just air just going everywhere. So had to cut the audio off because you wouldn't be able to hear us anyway. So just want to let you know, that's why the audio wasn't working. So far so good as always, we're having a lot of fun. Here is the, it's like a Native American room, I guess you could say. A lot of history and stuff about Native Americans. Very interesting. The kids were just playing in here. I just wanted to come to the side and give you guys a little update and also explain why the previous room, the audio was basically cut off because it would have been just impossible to hear us. So yeah, we're gonna keep on going here. Alright, we just got upstairs. We got a carousel. Platform 9 3/4. It looks like the train is closed over there. It looks like a little thing for the kids over there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Go ahead, Zeki. Go. Go inside and go up. Yep. Go, go. Nice. Hello. Hey, Zeki. There you go. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Yeah.
This is the way up.
Go ahead, buddy.
This is the way up.
Whoa.
Alright, okay. Are you okay?
Go ahead, buddy. Whoa, yeah, slippy, buddy. Go ahead, Zeki. Whoa. Oh, lucky, man, lucky. Yes, yeah. It's like his 5th time, so. Alright, that's it for upstairs. We're gonna go back downstairs. We'll probably do the stuff we missed and or stuff we did already just to have more fun. So, well, that's it for the upstairs of this museum. Alright, that's it for today. We had a great time at the museum. No complaints really. It was really cool in there. A lot of fun stuff for the kids. Definitely didn't do probably like, I don't know, 30% of it because of just who Joshua is, and Joshua was the leader, right? Zachary just follows, so Joshua was probably interested more in other things and kind of skipped over the other stuff. So I would recommend this as like a 2-day kind of trip, 2-part trip, but it was a lot of fun, and yeah, we'll definitely be coming back if we ever get the chance, and definitely recommend it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and more to